Here is how I went from this to this. Hey guys, let's paint an original character. So my art is made up of mainly dark fantasy type of paintings, and even though my art is heavily inspired by fantasy, I kind of thought to myself, I've never actually painted an elf before. Basically an icon in the fantasy world, and I was also inspired by playing a bit of Baldur's Gate 3. So I decided that this subject would be the video idea for this current video. So let's get started. Since we are drawing an elf, I also want to make her some kind of archer. So I'm going to draw up a bunch of poses and compositions, and I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Okay, so these thumbnails in my opinion look pretty insane to me. I genuinely like all of them, but since I'm going for more of a storytelling type of vibe, I'm gonna pick this one. This one is really speaking to me, so let's put it on canvas. Okay, right now it looks pretty good, but I feel like we need to chuck some rim lighting onto the character as well as clean up the sketch. So let's do that right now. Okay, so early into the painting, I like to use the Liquify tool as well as flipping the canvas to fix any proportion issues within the painting. This is honestly a super vital step in my process, and I wouldn't know what to do without doing all this stuff. Right now, I just realized that I'm having issues with the lighting I did from my thumbnail process, and I kind of just mindlessly put soft light and stuff without really thinking about how lighting works during daylight. A quick lesson, this character right now is a silhouette during daylight, which means she obviously would be receiving bounce light, right? Why is this an issue then? Well, if you look at references from Pinterest or whatever, you can actually see the bounce light is coming from above. So it would be more logical to actually draw the bounce light coming from above. Whoa, that's actually so much better. Just that one change made a crazy difference. Okay, so over here I made the bounce light way too powerful. So I'm just gonna soften all this up and continue back to rendering. Damn, honestly, this piece actually kind of goes hard. It is a little out of my style, but it's pretty fun doing new stuff every now and then. But yeah, let me know what kind of content you guys want to see next. Anyways, I hope you can take something from this, and thanks for watching.